Hello everyone and welcome to another market review where I'll be giving my thoughts on Bitcoin. We'll see what we do today, maybe talk about an altcoin as well, but I'll start off with Bitcoin, okay? Thanks to Bybit for sponsoring my market reviews. Link is in the description. If you use that link, you get Coin Market Manager fully for free, up to $30,000 in bonuses on Bybit, and get free access to my Discord where I post a lot more analysis and stuff like that. All you have to do is make an account using the link below and make a deposit, all right? If you already have an account on Bybit, there's no problem. Simply make a new account under my link, ask the support to transfer your KYC and transfer the funds after, all right? So with that being said, let's dive into Bitcoin, okay? Where are we at? Let's remove some of these levels here and start a little bit clean, okay? We've got these range levels that we've been trading in for quite a long time. We came back down after sweeping these highs, okay? So wicked above there and then broke down. What was the drawn liquidity? These lows here. Lows got swept on the inverse perpetual contracts, at least on Bybit. On some exchanges, those lows didn't get swept, but on Bybit they did. I thought we would revisit these lows, but what happened? On this move, we swept all of these lows. Okay, so after the big nuke, we made a bunch of lows, fairly equal lows. And then on this move, this was really the trap, the sweep of these lows that led to a bullish reaction. Okay, so we took out these lows here, and then from here what happened, we saw higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so I'll immediately say, if you're a bull here and you're targeting higher up, in my opinion, you've got your invalidation below here. If this fails to hold, I think we'll see a lot lower, okay? If this fails, the people who got trapped, right, shorting down here, yeah, those need to stay there, okay? So I think that low needs to hold in order for us to trade towards higher levels, okay? With that being said, what do we have on the daily? If we take a look at where major liquidity is gonna be resting, right? It's gonna be above these highs. And what's the most recent high time frame liquidity take? That's this one, okay? So the lows got swept. Where's the drawn liquidity? Well, you could argue that it is towards this low at 28K, okay? Now, where do we look for longs? If we want to target up there, well, take a look at where OTE is resting from the low to the high, OTE. What lines up with that area? A breaker, demand, whatever you want to call it, this gray area in general, okay? It's either going to be the breaker, the sideways price action here that led to the down move and then got ignored to the upside. So whenever we retest that area from the upside now, that should act as some support at least. Or whether you want to argue that it's the people who got trapped down here that needs to hold, okay? So in my opinion, you want to look for bullish price action within this gray area to look for longs back towards this high here and this high here. So that's my main play, the main thing that I'm watching for the coming weeks. Now, having this higher time frame thought process in mind, we can now go on to the lower time frames and see where price is trading, what key levels we can work with, and look for low time frame entry triggers, okay? If we simply take a look at where Monday high and low are resting, okay, simply draw them like this, Monday high and Monday low, you can already see you've got a clean lower time frame range to work with the area, the higher time frame area. We want to look for longs here. So what is the main plan that I'm going to be watching here? If we see some more downsides, okay, take out Monday low, reclaim, look for longs. We keep our invalidation wide from the start, let's say like below there, but target is up here and up here. As you can see, if you target these highs, it's already 2.5 R, and all the way up here 3.5 R. So the risk reward is very decent. If you enter on the first sweep, right, your invalidation is there, or you wait for the reclaim of Monday low and enter there with a tighter stop below the most recent low. Now I like doing it more how I explained it the first time, okay? So just blindly entering, because you know that this is the area you want to see hold. So why not play it aggressive here and bet on at least some upside after a sweep of Monday low, okay? Combining the higher time frame area here, OTE as well, so the confluence in this area is real, a lot of confluence. If we take out Monday low and Monday high is unswept, the drawn liquidity is to the upside as well. High time frame drawn liquidity would be on here as well. So that all lines up with this play, and that's gonna be the main play I'll be focusing on. Now, let's say we front run Monday low, so always got to be prepared for both scenarios. If we front run Monday low here and instead we go for Monday high first, right, and do sweep Monday high, break back below, I might look for scalp shorts here, targeting Monday low. Then it will just be a very low time frame trade. There, invalidation there, maybe keep it a little bit wider and simply target the lows here, okay? In that case, I'd be more cautious looking before buying the dip. Why? Because then after sweeping Monday low, you already have swept Monday high, which means the drawn liquidity would be less to the upside. So if something like this happens and you come down for Monday low, you can already see stops above here have been taken. While if we go for Monday low first, right, then you still have all of those stops resting above Monday high, and then I could see the squeeze a lot harder, okay? So those are the both plays I'll be watching, mainly focusing on the Monday range. We'll see what we get, okay? If we continue to chop within here, we'll simply stay out and see how it goes, okay? Another one I wanted to talk about was BNB. I've shorted this one last week up here after sweeping this liquidity, okay? Swept, retest, consolidate, broke down, then shorted it, okay? Took some off here and some off on the sweep there, fully closed around here. Now squeeze a little bit higher. As you can see, we had a key high resting here. That one got swept. Clean invalidation for bears, which is why I like it that much, okay? You know that this was the sweep bearish retest, okay? So if this wants to trade towards these lows, I think you're wrong above here, okay? So shorting upside with invalidation above there is a good idea in my opinion. So I've got my stops there. I know I would allow wicks into this gray area, which is supply, the area we started dumping from, but then I want to see continuation to the downside. Ideally, see this downside with Bitcoin going for Monday low. Ideally, this sweeps the lows as well then, and then we run everything back towards the highs. All right, I will go live for sure this week. I'll just let you guys know when. For now, I'm just chilling, and that these are the plays I'm watching and I'm waiting for. All right, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube. Leave a comment with what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. And thanks for watching. Peace.